Here I have Xiaomi A2 Lite. Let me show you how to set up the date and time. So let me show you, for example, how to change the time zone, how to change the time on this device. At the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Let's enable the list of all apps, choose settings. Here you need to choose system and select date and time. As you can see here, you are using the automatic date and time and automatic time zone. So everything is set it up automatically. If you would like to change something, let's disable those two buttons, and here you can set your appropriate date. Here you've got the calendar. You may also set time if you would like to. You can select your time zone. Here you've got all available time zones. You can sort it alphabetically if you would like to. You may also use 24-hour format if you would like to, but in my case let me disable this option and let me enable the automatic setting right here. So everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.